How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to update your credit card and payment info on Disney Plus. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, as all of these settings and everything that you guys will need to configure your payment methods and whatnot, payment gateways, are all under your Disney Plus profile. So assuming that you guys have an account and have a Disney Plus subscription, here's what you need to do. So number one goes without saying, you want to go to the Disney Plus website. Now you can do this on either the application on your phone or the browser site, like where I'm at right now. And what you guys would want to do is you want to select your profile, and to do so, you want to click on the top right icon on your screen if you're on desktop to access your profile settings. Now, when you do, there should be a little drop down there showing you a bunch of different options to choose from. Now, from here, you want to click on My Space, as this takes you to the basically your profile where you get to edit your info like your name, your plans, your paid plans, I mean, your email address and whatnot, as well as your contact info, payment methods, and yeah, basically from there, you want to click on Help and Settings, and there should be a new tab saying Subscriptions and Devices. Now from here, you want to click on Update. So this will take you to a page where you get to enter your credit card or debit card info or details. Now, when you do, you want to simply follow the on-screen instructions. Basically, enter your info like your card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV and whatnot, and click verify and update. Now, as for the mobile app version, what you guys would want to do is you want to click on account settings, and under account settings there should be an option next to the payment method that says update. So it's if you guys need help finding it, just basically look for the um, transaction history, and there should be something there that says that shows you a list of recent transactions. So if it says paid via card, next to it should be the update option. Now, when you click on update, you basically go through the same thing. Just enter your new credit and debit card details, click on verify and update, and that should be it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.